What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy, Big Boy here. Wanting to say what's up. Hope everybody had a good day today. Tonight, I'm going to be doing what I did in my videos, which was the colors of the NFL. I told everybody that I was going to be doing videos of different pours from these, because in my videos, I did one pour. In these videos, well, in my lives, I did one pour, but in these videos, I said I was going to do a different pour. So, tonight I'm going to start with the Carolina Panthers. And again, due to copyrights and trademark laws, I will not be putting any letters, numbers, logos, mascots, or anything else on here that can get me in trouble. I'm only doing the colors. All right, so the Carolina Panthers, I did a moving ring pour. With this one, I'm going to do a flip cup. All right, as you can see, I got my colors. I have brilliant blue, Mars black, titanium white, and metallic silver. So let's get started. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching my video. Let me go ahead and give you a close-up of what I got going on right here. You got the white specks, the cell work coming in nicely. But it's right here that particularly got me. It's got a 3D effect right around here and in there, which it looks pretty cool. I like that. Got the 3D thing going. All right, you got the fades, the whites and the silvers, and the blacks, blues coming in. It's faded into like this river. I like it. I like it. I'm liking this a lot. And I like that spot right there where everything fades together. I like that. That's looking good too. Alright guys, one thing I forgot to mention in the beginning. I'm doing a video. I'm doing lives on my TikTok page, Big Boy Artistry, where I did do these videos, the colors of the NFL. So if you want to go check them out, go ahead and hit my TikTok page. It's Big Boy Artistry. All right, and then this video is going on my YouTube channel. So if you like it, go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Look out for my other videos. All right, guys, take care.